Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday. Right now you're taking a look at the blue skies over Wairika. This view coming from the Rain Rock Casino. And we knew that the clouds would break apart gradually throughout the course of the day, and that process already happening down in Siskiyou County. 64 degrees right now in Wairika, and those winds really coming out of the north right now, gusting all the way up to 23 miles per hour. Yes, we are mild this midday, but a little bit later in the day, we are not going to be nearly as hot as we were yesterday. 40s, 50s, and 60s, kind of a big spread of temperatures over on the east side right now. Mid-60s throughout Siskiyou County, mid-50s throughout the Rogue Valley, and 54 degrees in Brookings. Let's take a look at the rest of the day with Stormcast, and you can see where the cold front is pretty definitively on Stormcast, that sharp cutoff between clouds and not as many clouds, and that will move through here throughout the course of the day. And along the back edge of that, we could have just a few additional sprinkles there along the Cascade Ridgeline, but that clears out of here pretty quick, and it looks like that most of Saturday will be dry and we'll have plenty of sunshine as well. Here is your playground forecast for today, and yes, the day will start off gray, but a little bit later in the day, those clouds, they break apart as the cold front moves through, and we will have plenty of sunshine and temperatures that will be in the low 60s. So all in all, a very pleasant day. If you like the hot weather, then I guess today will be a little bit disappointing considering what went down yesterday. But if you're not a fan of the hot weather, then today should be right in your wheelhouse. We'll have temperatures in the 60s on the east side today, mid 60s for the west side valleys, and just shy of 60 degrees there along the coast. With that cold front moving through, winds, they will be blustery, gusting out of the north-northwest anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour, and that would be down in the Shasta Valley, over on the east side, up in the Cascades, and there along the coast. But then overnight, the Rogue Valley will get in on the fun as those winds will also gust out of the north-northwest, anywhere between 25 to 35 miles per hour there. So another storyline that we have going into the overnight hours is that just like with today's afternoon high temperatures being substantially lower than yesterday, our overnight temperatures are going to be much, much colder than what we experienced this morning, well below freezing on the east side, right around freezing in the west side valleys, and right at 40 degrees there along the coast. Let's take a look at that weekend forecast for the Rogue Valley. Saturday looking very pleasant, even cooler than what we're experiencing today, and those gusty conditions from overnight, they will carry over into tomorrow. So just keep that in mind if you're headed out to downtown Medford for any pear blossom festivities. And then for Sunday, that's when we're expecting some of the wet weather to move in, and this is not a typo right here. Yes, we could have a bit of a wintry mix on Sunday mornings. Those snow levels will be very low. We'll take a look at those in a second, but here's the bottom line. We are about to have a lot of wet weather over the next 5 days. Sunday, it'll mainly be the west side impacted, but then that'll become more widespread into Monday. Some showers linger into Tuesday, but then it becomes more widespread with another system on Wednesday. For Sunday and Monday, snow levels, they'll be anywhere between 1,000 to 3,000 feet, so that is why we are anticipating a little bit of valley snow. Here's your 7-day forecast. Along the coast, just the smallest chance for a shower today. Tomorrow will be very pleasant, and then the wet weather really ratchets up a few notches starting on Sunday going into the rest of the week. For Siskiyou County, we're expecting some very windy conditions for Monday. Wouldn't be surprised if a wind advisory was issued there. And like I just mentioned, with those snow levels being anywhere between 1,000 to 3,000 feet, it wouldn't be a huge shock to see some snow on the valley floor of the Shasta Valley. For the east side, we'll have several chances of rain and snow, and I think for Monday, in all likelihood, we'll probably see a high wind watch issued from the National Weather Service in Medford for Klamath and Lake counties. Then up in the mountains, this is some excellent news. We need as many chances for rain and snow as we can get with the suffering snowpack. And then for the Rogue Valley, it's a little bit mind-boggling that yesterday we almost touched 90 degrees, and now on our 7-day forecast graphic, we have chances for snow on Sunday morning, Monday morning, and on Tuesday morning.
So anyone going to the Pear Blossom Festival between today and tomorrow will be fairly comfortable.
Yeah, pretty comfortable, maybe a little bit on the cooler side, okay, especially tomorrow with some of those breezier conditions, and we're going to be stuck in the mid-50s, but definitely very pleasant weather, especially when you factor in what's about to happen on Sunday and Monday.
That's what I'm thinking about. Well, thanks, Josh.
Of course.